Our ears.
on video. Yes, good.
Okay,
Good.
sorry.
Good, okay.
Our ears just shot. Alrighty. So we're in Lima, and oh my gosh, that hurt. We're in Lima, and we're just waiting to
Now what? What are you gonna do?
check our bags. Sorry, I'm just all out of whack after that. And our flight is delayed, so we're just chilling.
Let's get a view of this.
Yeah, it's quite busy.
Hello, Madison.
Hello. And so that last flight, pretty.
Let's go to Bogota.
Madison had a nice flight.
That was my best flight yet.
But I wasn't feeling good the whole time.
What'd you do that was so great?
Nothing, I just didn't almost die, so.
I felt it was just like the turbulence was really rough.
Switzerland. We're going to Switzerland.
And I don't know.
Who does Alaska?
Well, one trip,
It just depends, I guess, where you sit, but like we were right on the wing.
I have one
And,
Maddie page.
How'd you get
I
that?
feel like we're only getting Stacy right now.
They were going back and forth.
And I was
So,
right in the
our
ring.
flight is delayed till 1:15.
1:15
in the morning.
And we can't check our bags till 9.
And we might miss our next flight.
But it's okay. It's okay. We're probably just gonna go to Paris, so.
Yeah. But that flight's delayed too, so you might be able to make it.
Or Bogota.
Or anywhere else. Amsterdam.
Amsterdam, yeah.
Say that one, the fourth one down.
Guayaquil. Sounds like a medicine.
Argentina. Or Montevideo, Uruguay. That's Uruguay.
I remember that. Yeah.
Okay,
So, yeah. Why are we doing this anymore? So yeah, that's it.
That's all?
Yeah.
That's it.
That's it.
That's a wrap. That's a wrap.